In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Search Console data in n8n. By the end, you'll have the Google Search Console nodes available inside your n8n workflow so you can start pulling site insights directly into your automations. First, open the specific workflow where you want to work with Google Search Console data. With the workflow on your screen, look toward the top right and click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node selector. In the search bar, start typing Google Search Console. As you type, you should see results related to Google Search Console appear. This is the quickest way to make sure you're adding exactly what you need without scrolling through categories. Next, click on Google Search Console in the results. You'll see a panel that shows the nodes it offers and a button to install the node. Go ahead and select Install Node. n8n will handle the installation for you. Give it a moment to finish. You might see a brief spinner while the package is added. Once it's done, the available Google Search Console nodes will be ready to use right inside your workflow, just like your other built-in nodes. After the installation completes, add the node you want to use. As soon as it's added to the canvas, you'll notice an option to provide your credentials for Google Search Console. This is where you connect n8n to your Google account so it can securely access your Search Console data. Choose an existing credential if you already have one in your n8n instance, or create a new credential and follow the on-screen prompts. Keep the credential name clear so you can easily recognize it later, and make sure the account you connect has access to the properties you plan to query. If you're working in a team, confirm that your role in Search Console allows reading performance and site data. With the credentials linked, your Google Search Console node is now ready to interact with your workflow. You can plug it into your existing logic, map fields to other nodes, and build automations that use your site's performance metrics. If you don't immediately see data, double-check that the property exists in your connected account and that you've selected the right site within the node's options. And there you go. You've opened your workflow, added a new node, installed the Google Search Console nodes, and connected your credentials. That's all. You're now set to bring Search Console insights straight into n8n and turn them into actionable automations.